Hello and welcome. My name is Tom Norris and I'm the president of Norheat Treatment Inc, located in Waterdown, Ontario. We hope that you, your families, and all your employees are all well as we all deal with quarantine due to COVID-19. Norheat specializes in energy-saving ceramic technologies for use in industrial applications, refractory sales, and service. It's definitely not business as usual as we all deal with the virus, and because of this, we at Norheat are trying to keep our customers informed and let them know that we're here for any and all emergency refractory service or material needs that you may have. The purpose of this video is to introduce you to Norheat, but also to let you know about some exciting new technology that Norheat and International Technical Ceramics have been developing for use in an assortment of aluminum manufacturing industries. These new technologies were discovered and developed in the racing industry. What we learn by using these new products on race cars, some of which you've seen in the opening of this video, as well as the ones behind me, have been used to develop a technology that is state-of-the-art. Our laboratory tests have shown that this technology will significantly reduce fuel costs and significantly increase production. We observed a savings of 15 to 35% of the fuel used and the ability to increase production by 18 to 40% during our lab testing. Our new technology was in the process of being taken to potential customers for trial when the virus hit and shut everything down. This is why we're coming to you now through video to gather interest so that when the quarantine does break, we can move forward with continued testing and ultimately release this product to the industry. Our goal is to introduce you to this product, what the capabilities of the product are, and ultimately find aluminum manufacturers that would be interested in a free trial. We are considered essential service providers, so this could happen at a time that best fits your schedule. In the additional 3-segment videos, we want to address the 3 areas that our lab testing has shown significant benefit when using this new product. Once you see the videos, we're certain that you will see other areas in your industry that you could see potential benefit using this technology. In the upcoming 3 videos, we will be covering the following. In video 2, we will cover the significant reduction in fuel consumption that is possible, ranging from 15 to 35% using this new product. In video number 3, we will cover the significant production increases that are possible, ranging from 18 to 40% using this new product. And in the 4th and final video, we will cover reduced metal loss due to dross buildup and metal recovery, as well as a quick recap of videos 2 and 3. That's 4 important videos. We're seeking customers that are interested in more information and a free trial of this new technology. We thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and we wish you, your employees, and all your families all the best during this difficult time. Please don't hesitate to reach out with any questions, comments, or even ideas, as we can be reached by phone or email. Our contact information will be at the end of the video for easy reference. We will beat this virus and come out stronger on the other side. We look forward to meeting with you and your team in person when the time best fits your schedule. We're all in this together. Be safe and have a blessed day. Thank you very much and take care.